Again, this is Muhammad Najjar from Petra Nights Tours. We're looking at this beautiful statue of Pillar of the Salt of Lot wife here in this beautiful area of the Dead Sea to the eastern part, all the way to the top. We're turning to see the beautiful, oh my God, what are you doing? Hello?
Hello.
How are you?
Welcome to Jordan.
This is actually my beautiful girls from Australia, and we're having, they just have the Dead Sea tour. They float in the water.
It's amazing.
Tell me how you find it, the Dead Sea. Yeah?
Amazing.
Yeah?
It's beautiful.
How is Jordan so far? Yeah?
Love it.
Great.
Absolutely great.
Yes. And how is the service with the sign you hold it? Petra Nights Tours.
Been really good so far.
Yes?
We've got a really good tour
The
guide.
best tour guide.
Thank you very much.
Really good.
You having good time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I want you to enjoy the rest of your tour, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you. Here is the salt also of the Dead Sea. I like to view everything. We're in the lowest area in the world. That's the salt down there. And this is the very salty lake of the Dead Sea. Lowest area in the world. To the other side, we're looking at the West Bank. Belong to Israeli Authority, and they have their resort there from both sides. We're in Jordan now, and this is the highway, as you see, going all the way to the south. That's our vehicle there. We just stopped to take in a picture here. Thank you very much, and see you again.